My name is Scott Schweiger. I had the PRP therapy at Center for Healing Neurology in Seattle. I had experienced whiplash from an accident that I had about 14 years ago, and there was a lot of pain in my neck and shoulder, kind of at the base of my skull. And so I did the PRP therapy to relieve some of that pain that I had. There's been a big improvement, there really has. Yeah, so in the 14 years since I had my injury, this has been the biggest improvement I've seen, and I feel more like myself. If I had to tell someone about the treatment, it's that your body, it's literally the medicine is your own body. They're drawing the blood, they're taking the platelets, and then that becomes what's injected back into you. So that in itself is pretty fascinating, pretty amazing to see. To Carly, thanks so much for taking the time, and I really feel like you put yourself into what you do, and I really appreciate that. And we have talked a little bit about maybe doing a second session. I don't know that I'll necessarily need it in that area, but we might do some more work in my shoulder, which seems to still be somewhat affected. So yeah, I might do another round.